Homeowners or renters insurance protects your dwelling and belongings. For homeowners, ensure your dwelling coverage is enough to rebuild your home at current construction costs. Personal property coverage is typically a percentage of this, so you may need a separate rider for high-value items like jewelry. Liability protection is crucial, covering you if someone is injured on your property. Renter's insurance is surprisingly affordable and covers your personal property and liability. Your landlord's policy does not cover your belongings. For both, a higher deductible lowers your premium. Life insurance provides for dependents if you pass away. Term life insurance, covering a set period, is typically the most straightforward and affordable option for key needs. For auto insurance, understanding your policy's coverage levels is essential. Liability coverage pays for injuries and property damage you cause to others. State minimums are often too low. Collision covers damage to your car from an accident, while comprehensive covers non-collision events like theft or weather. Consider your car's value when deciding on these coverages. Uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage protects you if you're hit by someone with little or no insurance. To save, ask about discounts for safe driving or bundling policies. Health insurance is a critical component of your financial safety net. Most obtain coverage through their employer or the health insurance marketplace during open enrollment. Key terms include the premium, deductible, copays, and coinsurance. A higher deductible usually means a lower premium, but more upfront costs if you need care. Always check if your preferred doctors and hospitals are in network to avoid higher charges. Adequate health coverage protects you from catastrophic medical debt. Start by defining clear, specific long-term goals, like retiring at 65. Then, work backward to establish the monthly savings rate needed to get there. Automate these savings transfers immediately after each paycheck. This is the single most powerful habit. Your daily spending then occurs within the remaining budget. Create a one-page financial dashboard listing your net worth, debt, and key documents. Review this dashboard quarterly to connect daily habits to your long-term vision. Estate planning ensures your savings benefit the people you care about. It's for anyone with assets, like a home or retirement funds. The foundational document is a will, which directs asset distribution and names a guardian for children. Beneficiary designations on accounts override instructions in a will. Establish a durable power of attorney and a healthcare directive. Annually verify all your beneficiaries and ensure your documents are accessible to trusted family members. Understanding taxes is non-negotiable for long-term financial health. You are taxed on what you earn, what you invest, and what you leave behind. Maximize contributions to tax-advantaged accounts like a 401k or IRA. These reduce your taxable income now and allow tax-deferred growth. For non-retirement goals, consider tax implications. Holding investments for over a year typically qualifies for lower long-term capital gains rates. Do an annual tax checkup with your pay stubs and investment statements. This helps avoid a large bill or a missed opportunity to invest a refund.